it might take a little getting used to how to submit a graph on MyMathLab. So I hope that this video will help. I am always going to choose to enlarge the graph. This little tool down here on the left that you see, click to enlarge graph. It just seems to make it so much bigger and easier to see more precisely what we're doing. This is a little bit tricky just for the size. I am struggling to see what's over here that the question is asking me to do, and at the same time do the graph. But what I'm being asked to do is to create a graph that's a cube root, or a cube rather, an x cubed function. And so I have to know that it looks like this, and they give you that in the problem. So the first step is going to be to select the x cubed tool. Once I select the x cubed tool, I simply need to note at least 2 points. So it puts 1 here and then the second one here. So I can put the origin of this cubed function right here at the 0, 0. Next, I'm given the instructions to add a vertical stretch of 3 and a horizontal stretch of 1. So I'm going to put vertical stretch. I'm going to change this to say vertical stretch 3, horizontal stretch 1 is already there. And the problem says that we're going to shift up and down 0 units. And then it says a horizontal, let me move it so you can see it, horizontal shift of 5. So that means 5 to the right. So I'm going to do horizontal, and I'm just going to slide this over till it says 5. And you can see that it took my graph and slid it 5 to the right. So that's a horizontal shift of 5. If it had said -5, I would have moved this way. Let me just show you that since we're here. And you see how on the graph it would have moved it to the left. But a horizontal shift of 5 means +5, which means right. And then the last thing is that we want to reflect over the x-axis. Oh, okay, let me pull this up so you can see that. Reflect over the x-axis. So I have a vertical stretch 3, horizontal stretch 1, vertical shift 0, horizontal shift 5. Reflected over the x-axis. I'm going to save this. I'm realizing now it's just below your ability to see this, but just below this question mark is where it says check answer. When I hit check answer, it verifies that yes, that is in fact correct. I hope that this short video helped. Don't hesitate to contact me if you need any other assistance with graphing on MyMathLab.